Okay guys, so here we are a few days later. It's nice and sunny out. It's about 80 degrees with around 20% humidity. We're gonna go ahead and we've already taken these back off the wall. We're gonna sand the sides that show and the top. Probably just leave this how it is and then paint everything. My girlfriend wanted to go with black, so we're gonna paint it black. I'll go ahead and start the time lapse and we'll get started. We're just going to clean each piece off, then we'll let them dry, and we'll get started on painting. Okay, so we'll let those dry for about 10 minutes. As you can see from how yellow that is, there was a good bit of sanding dust left on the wood, so we wanted to make sure to get that off. Okay, so as you can see, we got them all laid out here. I'm going to do the bottom first and then move my way to the other side. That way if there's any dripping, it goes to the underneath and not the top. Just want to make sure it's free of all debris. And then we'll start over here. Just light coat. So we'll let that dry and we'll come back and hit it again. Then we'll let that dry and flip them over. Okay. So we'll go ahead and hit these again. This time a little heavier. Flip them over and do the other side. Okay. So now we'll do a light coat on each one of these. Okay, and so we'll let that dry. Gonna go ahead and put the last coat on. Now we'll go ahead and let that dry, and then we'll hit it again. We'll go ahead and hit it from the back side this time. And then we'll just let that dry and we'll hit it again. Okay, so here we are on another coat. Alright, and we'll let that dry. Alright, this is probably the final one. Then we'll just let that dry. Okay, so it's been a couple days now and I've put the shelves back up. And we'll go ahead and check them out. As you can see, they look pretty decent. Everything turned out rather nicely. As you can see, the paint is somewhat textured with the grain from the wood. Even though it was, I think, plywood, but it did give it a really cool look. Almost like a frosting. But there you have it. Made some shelves with some recycled materials. Didn't cost a whole lot. Probably can't buy this many shelves for the amount of money that we spent, even with buying the hardware and the paint. If you've got the tools to do it, if you need some shelves, just make some yourself like we did. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope it may have helped some people get an idea of just how easy it really is to put together a couple little shelves.